Hello there, you lovely lot. Due to technical difficulties, I think that'll be why we didn't have one last week. So we're going to have a little bit of a different one this week. We're going to have few clip hits from last week's moved into this week's that did transfer over and so on and what forth. So not too sure how this is going to pan out, but I'm sure Jamie is going to make it look amazing as he always does. So the Mustang, we'll start with the Mustang. We have fixed the coolant leak, we have fixed the aircon leak. We are still waiting for a diff O-ring. I did actually ring them up and chase them up to say, where is it? Because it's been 3 weeks, expecting to say, oh, it's on its way from America. Lo and behold, they're in Northampton, and they did post it, and I haven't received it. So they've sent me another one. I've still not received it, so I've got to ring them up again just to make sure they've got the right address, because something's not going on very well there. But that's what we're waiting for on that one. Alpina. So we have had on the Alpina brand new spanking PS4s all round. We've also had refurb calipers, which also pop very, very nicely. The customer requested that we fitted EBC yellow stuff on some new discs. We've got some stickers that have been fitted to the calipers, which the customer yet again also supplied and asked us to do. We have replaced the rocker cover, had the injectors serviced by our local injector clinic, which injectors came back all great, which was nice to hear. So they've all been put back in. I steam cleaned the engine off thoroughly when cloud was off, just to run it up, make sure we got rid of all the oil leaks. Unfortunately not. We've got a weepage coming from the sump, and we've also got weepage coming from the oil supply feeds to the turbo. So the customer's aware of this, he's authorised us to crack on. So I think end of this week, beginning of next week, you'll be seeing this one with the subframe being dropped, so we can get all that done. But so far, so good. It's come on leaps and bounds. Chris detailed it for us last week, or service wash, shall I say. It wasn't full detail. Gave it a service wash for us because it was absolutely disgusting. So that is progress with that one. And I don't know if you also notice, we've got a lot more light and no overhanging trees anymore, so the cars are staying clean for a little bit longer, so no bird poos. So that's a good start. Right, E55 Mercedes. We have come on yet again leaps and bounds with this. After multiple chats with the customer and just basically sitting down and going through options that we can give and offer and so on what forth, the customer opted for new subframe, new arms. What else did we do? New rear disc and pads. So basically we could buy the arm kits as a whole. Excuse me, I do apologise, one moment. Right, oh, it's Nathaniel. I must ring him back in a minute. So anyway, so we bought an arm kit, and they've all been done. We've had the diff sent away, that was overhauled. That was overhauled by All Gears over in Worksop. So he smashed that out of the park for us, did it really, really quick because he was going on holiday. So that's come back, props back on. We are flying ahead with this. We have sent that caliper away for refurb because the pistons were seized, so that one's away. After we treated the lower arms to some fresh paint just to double up on a protection and make it look pretty, I've sprayed the underside of the car and all the suspension components and the diff with LanoGuard. Now, I like this stuff. I've used it myself personally for a few years. So I introduced Nick to it, and it's really, really nice. It's not black. It gives it a yellowy, waxy colour, so it doesn't change the underside of the car too much. So, you know, like you get stone chip, it's jet black and you just plaster black everywhere and it looks like you're hiding more than what you're actually protecting. But no, this is a nice yellowy substance, yellowy clear, but it's really, really good. It dries with just air. You don't need to bake it or anything like that, but lovely product. It comes like that, and it's just so easy to apply. You know, it goes a lot further than the stuff you can get in aerosols. So, but yeah, I love that stuff. So that is the E55. The M5 is back. We have got some clippets of that from last week. It went away to have all four wheels refurbed. They've gone for the original gunmetal grey stroke shadow chrome look. I have sent the steering wheel away. Well, sorry, James came back off holiday. He sent the steering wheel away because that's now going to be covered in Alcantara, I think. So at the moment we've got temporary steering wheel on that. So that is very, very close. Last week, I think it was last week, I replaced all the plastic, gloss black plastic door trims on the outer of the frame, window frames. That was another extra job that the customer was after, because they're like aluminium outer casings, and they're all oxidised and blistered and look really nasty. So we had some brand new ones of those come from BMW. So that is that. We've been quite lucky with Sytner in Leicester. They've been really, really helpful with a lot of parts that we've needed, which is great stuff. And you'll see a massive disappointing blow. This, you know, this doesn't want to leave. We had it parked up. I went to move it, just push it forward to open the passenger door, because I wanted to get into the passenger side, and the spheres, rear spheres had burst, so we lost fluid all over the floor. So disappointingly, they've had to come out. We've sent them away. So 1 step forwards, 2 steps back. But we'll get there. We will get there. Estimates on the Saab. So I've been accruing a load of part numbers, ringing around people to try and find parts. Having a nightmare. People not answering the phones or not responding to emails. I was told to try, I think it was Saabits. Apparently they're really, really good for the old stuff. Just can't get hold of them. Sent them 2 emails. I must ring them every other day for the past 2 weeks. Just nothing. So, but I think I found someone else, but I'm waiting for them to come back with me, because they've actually said they can get them, but they're coming back to me with prices. So fingers crossed we're getting progress there. 633, Luke printed some fittings for the heater rods, so Cloud is going to jump back on that imminently and get that back together, which is good. The Saab Porsche, honestly, the Porsche. So Matt has done new fuel lines on that underneath, front to back. Yet again, should have some footage from that from last week, as long as it's come through. So Jamie can show us that lovely lot. We've got a new alley radiator in it, and that is it. Now we're just waiting for the wiring loom to come back, and we can make some progress again on that. So that's good. You'll also notice that ramp's free. And why is that ramp free? Because that's there now. The Daimler. So the diff came back on that, I think about a week and a half ago. Cloud and Matt refitted all the rear subframe, the diff and everything end of last week. We've refinished putting the oil in it on Monday, because we didn't have enough. He's done a road test in it, doing a geometry on it, and then I think it should be ready for MOT. So that's good news. Nice to see that moving around. And I think, to be fair, that is pretty much just this week. Jamie has got some footage of me doing an unboxing video of the calipers on the Alpina. So we'll see how that turns out, because it's nice to see them fresh out of the box before they went on the car, so you can actually see how they did look. But yeah, you won't have me next week, because Nick's back off his holiday. Not too sure why he wants a holiday. I think it's his chair that needs a holiday more than him. But hey, we'll see when he comes back. So anyway, yes, thanks very much. And yeah, see you soon. Laters. So I think now, Jamie, we'll go for our unboxing. Come on, let's go and see what we've got. So, as I said, the Alpina calipers were sent away to BCS, and there we go. Oh, we're there. They smashed it out of the park. I think it's only been, I don't even think it's been a week, and they're back. So we've had great service so far, and hopefully I can keep on smiling. It'd be nothing worse than start bigging it up, saying, oh, they've done an amazing job, you watch me unbox this, and it turns out to be disappointing. But I'm sure, I hate this stuff. I'm going to turn the fan off. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me turn the fan off. So that's a one of the caliper carriers. It's a nice red. Yeah. Absolutely, mate. Absolutely. And when you get a sticker on, it's even more, isn't it? I think that's going to be another caliper carrier, so we'll skip that one. Let's try and find some actual calipers, shall we? Oh my word. Oh, I think that might be, is that a front caliper carrier? Yes, that's the front caliper carrier. So nice finish again. Won't spend too much time tossing them around in front of Jamie's face because he can get some nice footage when I'm not waffling. Knife away from the body, cut away from the body. Oh, I can see, I'm sure I just, oh look, I can see an Alpina writing. Let's see, don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, they look great, they do. That they do. So they've been fully stripped, refurbed, repainted. They look absolutely fantastic. There should be some side plates that went on the caliper, I won't lie, but I don't know which packaging they're in. You know what, Ella? It's Ella. The trimmer from Leicester. Yeah. So we've got Ellie here while James is off, because apparently James doesn't really work that hard and Ellie's the one that carries him. So she's still coming in to, you know. But yeah, James has managed to get a free holiday to, where's he gone? Croatia. Now, the jammy little turd. Yeah, but because you carry him and he's the face, it's well hidden. Absolutely. So yeah, the jammy sod won a holiday to Croatia. So all the last week we were winding him up, saying that, oh, best not throw those away, they've got clips in. We were winding him up all last week, saying that it isn't a holiday, it's a working holiday. The resort hasn't been built yet and he's there to help build it. But they disguised it by saying, ha, you won a holiday. But unfortunately, after the photos he sent us, that's not the case. He has actually won a nice, really nice holiday. Oh, God, they've done the little clips as well. That is a nice finish. Yeah, I'm happy with these, that I am. And I think the customer will be over the moon with them as well. So I won't unbox it all because I'm sure a lot of you will be pretty bored of me waffling by now. But yeah. Hey up, Cloud. Hello. What do you think, mate?
Shiny.
Shiny. You looking forward to fitting them?
Yeah.
Are they going to still be that clean when you fit them? Yeah. Of course they are. We do a proper job around here when you're working.
I'm always working.
Oh no, you're just saying that you do the proper job. We just watch you do it. Yeah. Right then, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Pleasure to do a little bit of videoing for you, something to watch, and you'll have me again next week. If there's anything that you want me to cover, just drop it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Thank you very much.